today we're going to review circumference of a circle. Raise your hand if you can tell me the formula for finding circumference of a circle. All right, Charlie.
Area.
Circumference. Frankie.
Diameter times pi.
Okay, so C equals pi d. Anybody remember? Tara, what's the other one?
C equals 2 pi r.
Very good. Good job. 2 pi r. All right, so we can use C equals pi d and C equals 2 pi r to find circumference of a circle. Raise your hand if you can tell me when we would use the formula pi d. Ben.
When you use pi d when you're trying to find the diameter.
When they give you
When
the
they give you
diameter.
the diameter.
Yes. When the diameter is given, then you use pi d. All right, Fernando, when would we use 2 pi r?
What's when they give you the radius?
If they give you the radius. And how do we know?
It goes to the center of the circle.
Okay, it's halfway across the circle. We know that we use the radius. When we use 2 pi r when we're given the radius because it has an r, right? And the d stands for diameter, so when they give us diameter, we use pi d to find the circumference. Good job. Okay, we have a circle with something that says 14 feet. Raise your hand if you can tell me what that is. Eli.
Right?
Radius. Very good. So the radius of this circle is 14 feet. Angelica, are we going to use pi d or 2 pi r?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Very good. Now, so I have C equals 2 pi r. I'm going to do my 3 lines right here. So 2 times pi, what is pi?
3.14.
3.14 times the radius, which is
14.
14. Good job. All right, now, just to make it simple, I'm gonna do 2 times 14 first. Does anybody know what 14 times 2 is? Pablo.
28.
28, good job. So I'm gonna do 3.14 times 28. All right, 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8. 3 more is 11. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 more, 25. Okay, we've used this, so we're going to put a placeholder. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Add on 2, 9, 7, 8. I have 2 numbers to the right of my decimal. So my answer, C equals 87 and 92 hundredths feet. You might have a question. No questions? You good? You got it? All right, we're going to do another one. Raise your hand if you can tell me the formula that we need to use for this. Celeste. C equals pi d. Good job. How do you know to use that?
Because they give you the diameter.
They give you the diameter. Good job. Okay, so C equals, what is pi? 3.14 times the diameter, which is
34
millimeters. All right, now I'm going to come over here and multiply it. 4 times 4 is
16.
4 times 1 is 4. 1 more is 4 times 3
12.
12. Okay, we need a
Placeholder.
3 times 4 is
12.
3 times 1 is 3. 1 more is
4.
3 times 3 is
9.
Add it up. All right, so that'll be 6, 7, 6, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 106 and 76 hundredths millimeters. Questions? Y'all know it? Y'all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got it? Okay. I'm going to put you some problems up here. All right, number 1. The radius is 40 centimeters. You can get out your marker boards. You can do marker board. R's. What does R stand for?
Radius.
Radius. And D stands for
Diameter.
Diameter. All right. What are my two formulas that we use?
Pi equals pi D. C equals
pi R. Okay. These are your formulas. You're finding the circumference of the circle. Who can remind me what circumference is? Raise your hand and tell me. Joshua.
Area of a circle.
Huh?
Area of a
Not area of a circle. Ben.
It's the outside of the circle.
Very good. It's the distance around the circle, like the bark on a tree. Okay, remember that. This, the middle, is called what?
The area.
It's the area. It's how much area it takes up, how much space it takes up. We'll do area in just a little bit. Okay, so this is circumference. We're working on circumference.